Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to go to factory reset your PlayStation 4 if you want to be reselling it or something like that. We want to go up to the top and go to settings and scroll all the way down under this list until we get to initialization. And then go to Initialize PS4. And then it's going to give us two different options. We have quick or full. Quickly delete data from the system storage and initialize the PS4. This is will allow third parties to retrieve the data if they use specialized tools. So what we want to do is go to full. Now this is going to take a little bit longer. It says several hours, but in my experience it doesn't take nearly that long, only like 15 to 20 minutes. But it's going to completely remove all the data from the PlayStation 4, and then you should be good to go to resell it, and you don't have to worry about anyone getting your information. So you can go to that right there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming next on Your 6 Tech.